store-bought juices packed with added sugars, preservatives that defeat the purpose of healthy drinking, and prices that add up faster than you'd expect. Making your own juice at home solves all three problems at once. A quality juicer delivers fresh, nutrient-rich juice from fruits and vegetables exactly the way you want them. We've tested the best juicers to find which ones deliver maximum yield, easy cleanup, and genuine everyday convenience. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. AmSchef Slow Juicer ZM15001. Cold-pressed juicing benefits shouldn't require premium investment, and this budget-friendly slow juicer makes that argument convincingly. Nutrient-rich juice from leafy greens, fruits, and vegetables becomes genuinely accessible without the financial commitment that premium masticating juicers demand. The slow-press extraction preserves more nutrients and enzymes than high-speed centrifugal alternatives, delivering better quality juice that justifies choosing a slow juicer. Assembly is straightforward and operation stays simple, making daily juicing approachable for first-time juicer owners. Dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup considerably, removing one of the most common complaints about slow juicers. The feed chute runs narrower than competing models, requiring more prep time to chop fruits and vegetables before processing. Apples, pears, and larger produce need cutting before they'll fit. For health-conscious beginners wanting genuine cold-press benefits without premium pricing, or budget-conscious buyers wanting leafy green and vegetable juice capability, this delivers honest slow juicer performance at a genuinely accessible price point. Number 5. Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. Premium pricing doesn't always guarantee premium results, and this compact centrifugal juicer makes that point emphatically. Delivering clean, cold juice with minimal froth and pulp in under a minute, it competes confidently with models costing significantly more. The compact design serves a specific lifestyle. Juice processes directly into a portable cup that goes straight from machine to commute without transferring between containers. Finish juicing, rinse the components, grab your cup and go. A seamless morning routine built for people who value efficiency. Quiet operation is a meaningful advantage for early morning routines in shared spaces. This won't wake sleeping family members while you prepare your morning drink. Carrots, kale, ginger, and apples all process effectively across a variety of ingredient types. Larger fruits like whole apples require chopping before feeding into the chute. Apple extraction leaves some chunks in the pulp bin compared to more powerful competitors. For busy commuters, small household juicers, or anyone wanting quick, portable, fresh juice without complicated cleanup or significant counter space, this delivers impressive results in a brilliantly practical design. Number 4. Breville BJE 200XL Juice Fountain Compact. Simplicity and performance combine in a centrifugal juicer that removes every barrier between you and fresh juice. One button operates everything. No settings to navigate, just power on and start feeding produce into the chute. The 700-watt motor handles everything from fibrous kale and ginger to dense carrots and apples consistently. Juice emerges with minimal pulp and foam thanks to a built-in froth separator, delivering clean results without additional straining. Fresh quality holds well after refrigeration, making batch juicing for the next day practical. Speed impresses, produce transforms into fresh juice in under 40 seconds, making this a realistic daily habit. The integrated pulp container attaches directly to the base, keeping counter space minimal while eliminating messy pulp management. Assembly and cleanup stay straightforward throughout. Large apples require halving before feeding into the chute. Operation runs louder than cold press alternatives, though not disruptively so. For everyday juicers wanting fast, clean results with easy operation and a compact countertop footprint, this delivers reliable centrifugal performance that makes daily juicing feel effortless. Number 3. Breville BJE 430 SIL Juice Fountain Cold. Large batch juicing without compromise defines this centrifugal model's sweet spot. The generous 70 Oz jug handles substantial quantities in a single run, ideal for families or meal preppers wanting enough juice for multiple days without repeated sessions. The wide feed chute accepts most fruits and vegetables whole, eliminating prep time that narrower competitors demand. Simply wash, drop in, and juice. The kind of convenience that makes daily juicing sustainable. Juice clarity genuinely impresses. Smooth, pulp-free results requiring no additional straining. Cold spin technology maintains lower operating temperatures during high-speed juicing, helping preserve vitamins and minerals that heat exposure can degrade. Leafy greens present a genuine limitation. Kale and spinach extract poorly, making this a poor choice for green juice enthusiasts. A noticeable foam layer forms on finished juice, requiring skimming or settling before drinking. For fruit-forward juicers wanting smooth, clear, large-batch results with minimal prep time and genuine ease of use, this delivers outstanding performance at a mid-range price. Number 2. Breville 3X Blucer Pro Blender and Juicer. Two essential kitchen appliances in one footprint. This hybrid machine eliminates the either-or decision between juicer and blender for space-conscious kitchens. One versatile appliance handles both functions without demanding dedicated counter space for separate machines. Juicing speed is genuinely exceptional, processing fruits and vegetables faster than virtually any competitor. An informative LED control panel walks through controls clearly while allowing speed adjustment, a level of guidance refreshingly absent on most standard juicers. Hard fruits and vegetables process brilliantly, extracting clean juice from apples, carrots, and dense produce efficiently. Dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup for a machine handling both blending and juicing duties. Leafy greens like spinach and kale extract poorly. The powerful motor overwhelms delicate ingredients. Foam production runs noticeably higher than competing juicers. For kitchens where counter space is premium and owning separate appliances isn't practical, this dual-function powerhouse delivers impressive juicing speed and genuine blending versatility in one investment. Number 1. Kuvings Auto 10 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Serious juicing demands serious equipment, and this premium cold press machine delivers for households committed to high-volume, high-quality juice production. The massive hopper capacity handles bulk fruit processing that smaller juicers simply can't match. The extra-wide feed chute accepts whole fruits without pre-cutting. Lemons, limes, and most produce drop straight in. Cold press extraction preserves maximum nutrients and enzymes compared to centrifugal alternatives, delivering superior juice quality that justifies the premium investment. Versatility extends beyond juice. Plant-based milk production handles oat, nut, soy, and hemp milks impressively through the fine mesh strainer. Frozen fruit sorbet adds another dimension to this machine's repertoire. The commitment required is substantial. Every component requires hand washing, no dishwasher shortcuts, and numerous parts make cleanup a genuine time investment. For passionate juicing enthusiasts, large families wanting bulk production, or health-conscious households exploring plant-based milks alongside fresh juice, this delivers unmatched capacity and versatility for those willing to commit fully. So there you have it, 6 exceptional juicers that bring fresh, nutritious juice into your daily routine. If this video helped you choose the perfect juicer, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and healthy living guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to fresh, delicious juice every single day.